In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a beautiful vintage frame with resin moldings and colored waxes for a stunning finish. Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima. I will begin by gently cleaning the frame with a glass cleaner to remove any dust or residue. Once dry, I carefully apply painter's tape to protect the frame, preserving its original finish. Let me mention it that I grabbed this frame from a thrift store. I'm using a silicone mold named Holy Harmony for this project. I will be using Amazing Casting Resin White as a medium. It is a fast-drying resin which consists of part A and part B. I will mix equal parts of each to activate the chemical reaction. Once fully combined, I will pour the mixture into the mold and let it sit for a few minutes before carefully removing the pieces from the mold. Next, I will prepare the background by mixing two chalk paste colors, vintage lace and Buckram binding, to create a soft costume tone. Using a brush, I lightly tap the paste onto the surface. This tapping technique creates a subtle, porous texture and adds depth and character. After allowing the paste to dry completely, I will use a small CS sponge and brush champagne acrylic paint, and with gentle dabbing motions, enhancing certain areas to create a cohesive dimensional finish. The result is a soft, elegant background ready for the next step of the transformation. Next, for an extra delicate touch, I'm adding the Ornate stencil with white pearl acrylic paint. I'm using a small brush to gently tap and highlighting just the right spots. Notice that I am releasing the excess to have just a subtle finish. While the paint is still wet, I'm removing all the painter's tape around the frame. It's been a few minutes and I can release the molding from the silicone mold. Using black gesso, but you can also use black paint, I will paint each of the moldings, making sure they are completely covered. This gesso dries very fast, and this will allow us to add our waxes. For the final and most important touch of this project, I will be using different colored waxes, which I will list in the description box below. I will apply a small amount of wax with a brush and begin highlighting each piece in different tones. Then, using my finger, I will lightly apply a wax in the shade Polaris over all the moldings to enhance the details. Now let's plan our design. Before glue our resin molds, I am adding dip to the interior of the frame by adding with a brush eternal wax with the small touches and circular motions. I'm using Gorilla Good Glue to adhere the molds to the frame. Using a small craft brush and a small portion of glue, spreading the back of each mold and placing each piece onto the frame. Finally, to protect our project, I will use a satin spray sealer and apply it over the entire frame. And this is how our vintage frame turned out. Let me know in comments what do you think about this DIY. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel today for more creative tutorials, and see you in another flip.